First, what you need to do, just open your Steam and go to library. Find CS2 and you will see workshop. Click this. And you can also see most popular map in CS2. Find map what you want, click on your map, and you will see here subscribe. Click subscribe. A message will open. This item has been added to your subscription. Go back to library and wait for updating workshop map. When you finish process, just click play. Okay guys, when you open CS2, just go here play and you will see workshop maps. Click this and all maps what you subscribed on are here. Click on your map and go. And that's it guys for this video. If this guide helps you, share with your friend. You just need to invite your friends to play with them on your workshop map. I see you next video and bye guys.